I would like to understand from you about Adani Group stocks as well. So, if you see, some of the stocks actually are staging recovery, but many of the Adani Group stocks continue to bleed. So, what is the future for Adani Group stocks, and do you think is there more pain ahead for all these Adani Group shares?
It is premature to say, okay, the pain is over or the pain is going to continue. Right
Okay.
now, the entire focus is currently on Adani Enterprises right now. They need to sail through the FPO, what they proposed, the 20,000 crores FPO. That is the action currently ahead of the FPO right now. But those investors who have entered in Adani Group shares and sitting on profits, as the stocks have been tumbling and we don't know where the bottom, we don't know where the support levels for the stocks, uh, investors, they can book profits in these group companies if they are sitting on the profits. But the people who are just waiting, because Tanya, one need to think, okay, these stocks, all the stocks are high beta stocks, and these stocks have been outperforming the market. Each and every share, the Adani Group in the group, all the shares, starting from Adani Wilmar, there is 1 year back it got listed, Adani Power, all these stocks have been the multipliers from the bottom. So everybody thinking about from the top, they came down, everybody looking. But one need to also think from where they started and where they went. Okay, that's also very important thing one need to analyze. Okay, before commenting on any stock. So there have been multipliers over a period of time. So these kind of allegations are, are allegations surfaces on these kind of stocks. So there will be obviously a panic selling, and the selling is there is no respite for this selling. That's the reason the stocks have been coming down on a daily basis. There, most of the stocks are hitting their lower circuits. So it's the right time to enter. I don't say immediately one cannot take a decision to jump and buy these stocks. One need to see where this carnage will stop. Okay, and once the stocks get stabilizes at some point of time, and the buying interest resumes in this kind of stocks, only high risk appetite uh, investors and traders can look into these stocks. These are not the stocks for every retail, because of the given the kind of nature of the stock, behavior of the stocks. There are some quality, there are some good companies also because of the infrastructure model, and also the business models they operate, like Adani Enterprises. One need to just uh, wait. There is no hurry to pick up the stocks immediately.
Absolutely. And also, are there any Adani Group stocks that are on your list and have reasonable valuations? I mean, especially after the amount of correction that we have seen so far.
Still, Tanya, we cannot come into a picture to give a clear buy signal for these stocks.
Okay.
Exactly not, if you ask me. One need to just be on their toes how these carnage will stop, because we don't see absolutely no buying interest. The stocks are getting opened at 10% down. So
Yeah.
nobody want to try and catch a falling knife. Okay, so that is the reason. Okay, uh, one should avoid these stocks at this moment, and just be watchful about these stocks, because they might throw a trading opportunity after a week later or 10 days later, but it's completely premature to say. uh, exactly, one and a half year back, these kind of news again surfaced on Adani Enterprises, and from there they rallied. But this time might be different. So one need to be cautious, because these are the high beta stocks. Valuations look stretched in terms of the conventional wisdom is concerned. So one can stay away from these stocks at this point of time.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share, and subscribe.